Terry Lutz. He's a graduate of the US Air Force Test Pilot School at Edwards Air Force Base, former A-10 pilot and Northwest Airlines Airbus pilot. And he joined us at Toulouse just a few years ago to help with the A380 campaign.
Wow, isn't that beautiful?
We've also got Didier Ronseret, flight test engineer, down on the engineers station in the back. He was heavily involved with the Concorde program and the ATR twin engine aircraft that we produced over at Aerospatiale. And in the front, our flight engineer responsible for the #1 prototype, Jean Desbois, who's also a light aircraft man and owns a couple of Piper Cubs in France. Again, because of the fantastic wing that we have on this the airplane will start well before the exit for Aeroshell Square.